Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. In this video we are getting back to some grass fundamentals and looking at how grass grows and why it is green. Let's find out. Grass is a common name for a large family of plants called Gramineae. They have a simple structure with roots that grow into the soil, stems that grow from the base of the plant known as a crown, and from these stems, leaves extend that consist of a sheath and blade. Some grasses creep along the ground with stems known as stolons, and some also have stems called rhizomes that grow below the ground. As you can see here, grass, just like trees and other plants, converts energy from sunlight into sugar through a process called photosynthesis. This energy is used to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose. The carbon dioxide is absorbed through the stomata of the leaf of the grass, whilst the water is mainly uptaken through the roots of the plant. The glucose is used for the growth, whilst the oxygen, a byproduct of this process, is absorbed into the atmosphere. Chlorophyll molecules are held in cells called chloroplasts. These cells will produce chlorophyll when light is present. When grass absorbs the light energy, the chlorophyll molecule goes into a high energy state, releasing chemical energy for the plant's metabolism. Without chlorophyll, the plant would not be able to absorb the light and therefore would be unable to photosynthesize. Grass appears green because chlorophyll absorbs light at two wavelengths, both red and blue, while reflecting green. Both magnesium and nitrogen form parts of the chlorophyll molecule, so if either of these are deficient, your grass can appear very pale green or even yellow. The key nutrients found in common fertilizers are referred to as NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. If there is too little nitrogen, not enough chlorophyll will be produced. Too much though, and you end up with thin cell walls and poor root development. A lack of phosphorus reduces cell division, leading to a build-up of chlorophyll, so it may appear dark green, but the grass will be weak with limited growth. Potassium helps with the opening and closing of the stomata, so if deficient, the water content of the leaf can be reduced, which also restricts photosynthesis. This is why regular fertilizing with a balanced NPK fertilizer like this one is an important part of lawn care. In our next video, we explain how grass is grown from either seed or from plant material in sprigs or solid turf. Click the subscribe button so you are notified when this video goes live. Thanks for watching and we hope to catch you next time.